Hey, what is up YouTubers? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, smack that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And in this video, I'm excited to announce that we have another Bing Ads training testimonial. This person got my advanced training course and put in the work, and he started seeing profits soon after going through the course and actually implementing what he learned. So I'm very excited for this guy. So let's dive into the post that he made in my advanced Bing Ads training members only Facebook group. So he goes, "Hi everyone, I'm excited to be a part of this group. So I would not really consider myself a complete newbie. I have failed a lot and learned a lot in this internet marketing game. I made a few commissions over 1K since last year, but small profit margin. But the hard part is being consistent and seeing sales every day. So with that being said, I have been following Cody on YouTube for a while now, and I just knew he had golden information I can use in my business. So I went ahead and bought the advanced training a couple days ago, and I have been going through each video and learning everything like a madman. So I set up my campaign, direct linking for now, and what do you know? Seeing some results. At the beginning, I had a hiccup with ClickMagic and not tracking sales. It cost me a couple buyer keywords, and these keywords had upsells, but it's okay. I am hopeful now because I got that fixed, and bam, got more sales today with upsells again. I am absolutely pumped. So a little side note here with ClickBank, one of the unique advantages of promoting some of their offers is that they'll have upsells. So like if the initial sale you get like $30 commission, there might be 3 or 4 more opportunities for that buyer to go and get additional upsells, and then you get commission on those as well. So that's what he was talking about. So then he goes on to say, I just wanted to say one thing, and I hope everyone understands the value you are getting in this course. I have literally not seen anyone teaching this, and yes, I have seen my fair share of courses, but nothing quite like this. This for me is a game changer, and I hope it is for you as well. I hope this motivates everyone to keep pushing. Thank you, Cody, for this awesome course. It's worth more, honestly, but I'm glad you made it affordable for everyone. And I just want to say you're welcome. I'm glad you got the course and went through it and got some results. That's super awesome. I can tell you're a motivated student, and just keep pushing forward and keep making those commissions. So then he posted that as well as screenshots. So here's his ClickMagic stats. So he's tracking engagements and sales. So you can track engagements if you set up the ClickMagic pixel and integrate it with ClickBank. So then you can see what keyword resulted on someone going to the offer and then reaching the order form page. So he's tracking that, and that's super powerful stuff. And then he's tracking sales. So then he posted his screenshot from ClickBank, and he adds in before Cody's Bing Ads course, couple $20 sales, and then after Cody's Bing Ads course, July 21st, 83, July 22nd, 166. So that is super exciting, guys. Bing Ads with ClickBank has a lot of potential, and I just want to throw out this resource real quick. My advanced Bing Ads training, it costs $297, and if you have that, I highly recommend getting my course, joining my private Facebook group for advanced Bing Ads training members only. But if that's a little too steep for you, you can check out my Bing Ads direct linking case study with Max Bounty. I show you 100% the full setup. All you need is a ClickMagic account for tracking and then some money to spend for Bing Ads. Then you can follow along and use the strategies that I teach in this case study to promote similar offers on Max Bounty or even ClickBank. So that link will be in the description below to watch this free case study. And I also will have the link to my advanced training course if you guys want to pull the trigger and get trained by me. This is probably the most detailed course on Bing Ads. So I decided I'd make this video just to show you guys that people are still seeing results promoting affiliate products through Bing Ads. And a lot of people think that Bing Ads is not worth the time, but trust me, it is. It is still a very reliable traffic source. You might not be able to scale as hard as you could with Facebook ads, but Bing Ads is relatively cheap and it's a reliable traffic source. So that is it for this video. Again, the link to the Bing Ads direct linking case study will be in the description below, as well as the link to get my advanced Bing Ads training course. So that is it for this one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.